am super excited to show you this new floor plan that's available at Verdana Village by Pulte, and it's called the Prestige. All right, let's go on inside. All right, welcome to the Prestige. You walk in, it's got a really nice open feel, and you can see all the way through the sliders in the back. There's nothing better than walking into a home and being able to look all the way to the outside, regardless of what your view is. Right up here in the front, we've got the front bedroom, and it's a really good sized bedroom. And this has an ensuite. So the way they have spec'd this one out, you can see beautiful modern flat front cabinets with quartz countertops, and they did upgrade this to the walk-in shower with tile up to the top. Yeah, you see that? How tall the ceilings are in this floor plan? Amazing. Walk-in closet and a full-size linen closet here inside the bathroom. Really, really nice bedroom suite up here in the front of this floor plan. So like usual, there is a ton of extra design work that is here in the models. You all know I love that. We got a closet up in the front of the house. All extra space should have a closet, in my opinion. And here they've actually got it set up as a den, but because it has a window and a closet, this is technically, in this layout, a third bedroom. So this home can be 2+ den or a 3-bedroom. They've got the tray ceiling with some crown molding. I love the size of this room, big double window. And when you make it the bedroom, this is what you get for a closet. So they actually have it with den doors. As you guys know, with Pulte, it either comes open, you can turn it into a den with solid doors, or you can turn it into a den with glass doors. And this floor plan does have a half bath here off the main living area, which I love, because if you're using both of the bedrooms as suites, people don't have to go into your space there to use the bedroom. They've added in a little drop zone and a dedicated laundry room. And I've got to be honest, this is one of my favorite features that I've ever seen in a Pulte floor plan. Check this out. Oh yeah, that's the primary bedroom ensuite right there. You've got a little laundry chute. How awesome is that? Okay, coming into the main living area. Oh, you know it. Look how big that closet is. There are a lot of options of what you can do with that closet. And I love how open this is. So this is what we see with most of the current Pulte floor plans. This is what people are looking for. Big great room living, huge island, big sliders outside, tons of natural light, extra detail. They've got a tray in the ceiling here. Absolutely gorgeous. And yes, you do see a gas range over there because Verdana Village is a gas community. So again, they carried the same flat front cabinets through. When you build with Pulte, you have so many choices of colors of cabinets, styles of cabinets, hardware for cabinets, appliances. There's lots and lots and lots of options and decisions. And we are here to help you make those if you decide that you want to build something from dirt, which is pretty challenging right now in April of 2022. But we're here to help however we can. Eat-in kitchen area with its own sliding glass doors out. We'll head outside in a minute. All right, coming back into the primary suite. Like most floor plans, we've got completely separated bedrooms, split bedroom design, a lot of extra design work in here. Same tall ceilings carried through, very spacious bedroom. This is a king bed, lots of furniture in here and still plenty of room. So we have the first master walk-in closet here. good size. And coming in, we've got the double sink. And in this model, they have chosen for the extra large walk-in shower. So this is one of the options available. You can do a normal size shower, a shower in a tub, or the big shower here. And you guys already saw a little peek of this from the laundry room, but here is the second closet here in the primary bedroom. We do have a linen closet in here, which is fabulous. And your dedicated water closet right there. And everybody's favorite, including my own, let's check out the outdoor space. Really nice cover here. You can see they've added extra can lights. I highly recommend, if you ever build from dirt, that you add lights wherever you can. Lots of cover area here. They've got it set up with a couple tables, but you definitely have space to add an outdoor kitchen if you wanted, add a seating area. Lots of options, and they've got just a standard Pulte pool out here. But you can see it's still a great pool. Hot tub with some extra space around for some extra seating. Can you envision yourself hanging out here? It's pretty awesome, right? So what do you think? Would the Prestige work for you? I would love to hear about it. You can let us know by commenting below. If you have any questions on this or any other properties or floor plans here or anywhere in Southwest Florida, we would love to help you. You can reach me anytime at 239-246-2322. And if you like what you see and you're curious to learn more about Verdana Village, you should definitely check out this video here and see our Verdana Village tour. It's just getting going. We're in the first quarter and the first release of Verdana Village. So you will see where we're at, and we'll be doing updates over time.